These are the two Lennox central air conditioners that I filmed like a couple months ago, I'd like to say. Now they're running. And these are both straight cool units, I believe, matched up with oil furnaces. This one is a value series. And that one, yeah, that one is from 1998. And I can't find the sticker for this one. But I think it used to have two of the lighter colored ones, and one of them died, and they replaced it with this one. That's what I was told. And that is a 2-ton right there. Fairly quiet. And the house is approximately 4,000 square feet. So it's a big house. And that one doesn't have the data sheet on it. But it's definitely a newer one. And since the model number says 12AC, typically that is the seasonal energy efficiency ratio, so I guess that would make this a 12 SEER. Because my other friends has 15 in the serial number, and that's a 15 SEER. So yeah, basically the house was, let's see if I can remember this here. The house started out as a really old, like, Cape Cod type house, and the foundation is original. And then the previous owners tore down the house but kept the foundation, and they built this one. So the current house was built in like 97, 98, which matches up perfectly with the manufacture date of this unit. So the value series is a 98, and this darker colored one is newer. And again, these are not heat pumps, they are straight cool units matched up with oil furnaces. Wish this one had a data sheet though. And this one has a square D disconnect box. And this one has a Midwest disconnect box. Alright, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.